This is amazing. It's almost completely impossible to get inside here.
Asuntosakeyhtiö Satojakeli.
We did it today. On the 8th of December 2022. This is Ruorimiehenkatu. Opi Ruomaskalta in Swedish, but our second name is Swedish later. Building 3 staircase D. The film the staircase here as well. And this was also finished in the beginning of 1976. Building 5.
Yeah, somebody's coming, but...
It's always unexpected.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in Espoonlahti, 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 and Ruorimiehenkatu. And then now we should have only 4 elevators left to be filmed here as soon as possible. Hopefully we'll do it soon.
Yeah.
And in Finland this week we only have 6 elevators left to be filmed.
Yeah.
As soon as possible, and 7 in Solka.
Yeah.
So that makes a total of only 17 elevators left to be filmed from Mattinkunnamatby to Finland this week.
Yeah.
Apart from the towers, which will be filmed, finished later with Kone, hopefully. I'll give you a look at example in Finland. There's one tower in Finland filmed already. It's 45 years old in last year, 2021. And the number is 37149 with 8 floors. So this one is better than 8.
Yeah.
And the alarm bell is original. I'll try it later on for one. I was expecting it to stop on floor 6, but I forgot it has 8 floors.
Yeah.
We're going to be expecting it the next year, 2023.
These buggy wires made them flash, you know.
But unfortunately this one and the sticky C are going to be badly modernized soon.
Yeah.
Probably by Schindler. That's why these are the 2 last rides here. I'll go to full advantage and clear around.
That's